Okay, so this is a 10-15 second demo of how you can use the new AI Analyst, I think in a surprising way that will save you a lot of time analyzing spreadsheets. So let's say we have this data set here, these are job postings, and there's a column here called salary. But salary is a bit all over the place. What I really want is to create brackets of it to analyze. This is really, really common. We can ask the analyst to do exactly that. So I can say create a column with brackets of salary, start at 20K, go in increments of 20 up to 140 plus K plus. Okay, format it as 20 to 40K. Okay, let's do it. You will see that we'll essentially create all of the big nested if formula to calculate the salary bracket and do it for us. It added a column here. I'll close it, open it, and just confirm that it did it correctly. See, pretty big formula here, looking at the salary, did it correctly, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 120 to 140, and it did it for hundreds of rows automatically. Right? So this type of simplification of analysis that you can do just naturally by asking to it.